Hola, soy Kavita, mucho gusto. Welcome to my channel Mapa Herbal Talks. Let's talk about Indian ancient life science and ancient remedies. Today we talk about Maharshi Sushruta. Maharshi Sushruta was an ancient Indian physician and surgeon, often called father of Indian medicine and father of plastic surgery. He is the author of Sushruta Samhita that describes over 120 surgical procedures, 300 surgical instruments, and is considered world's earliest work on plastic surgery. Particularly detailing nasal reconstruction, he also contributed to other fields like ophthalmology, dental surgery, and orthopedics. He is famous for rhinoplasty, nose reconstruction, using skin from forehead. He described the use of strong wine or other special medicine to help reduce pain during procedures. He was also a great teacher who trained his students in surgery using hands-on methods including practicing on fruits, vegetables, wax models, and even performing dissections on a human body to teach anatomy. 15 techniques of repair of torn ear lobuloplasty had been given by Sushruta even though in the absence of earlobe by flap of cheek. It is called Karna Sandhan. Sushruta also performed Oshtha Sandhan, that is repair of hair lip. Karna Vedana, ear puncture, that is piercing of the children's earlobe. In Gurdrasi, Arbud, Arsha, etc., Sushruta told the utility of thermal cauterization by using Dahana Upakram. Sushruta discussed Kshara Karma, that is caustic alkali utility in therapeutics, to stop bleeding in wound management, to necrose the hemorrhoids, for healing ulcer, for cutting the tract in the fistula, in ano without injuring the other structure. Likewise, Jalaukacharan, leeches, are also used as parasurgical procedures. Sushruta also gives classification of bones and their reaction to injuries. He explains 6 types of dislocation and 12 varieties of fractures and their treatment, traction, manipulation, stabilization, etc. Sushruta described 107 murmur, that is vital spots in body which cause fatal result on injury, either sudden death. Sushruta was the first person who performed dissection on the human dead body, and start a new branch of medical science, anatomy. The study of anatomy is dealt with in Sharir Sthan of Sushruta Samhita in its 10 chapters. Sushruta used alcohol and bhang, that is cannabinous sativa, to alleviate the pain during surgery. He described 101 types of blunt instruments, yantra, and 20 types of sharp instruments, shastra. He sterilizes the patient and OT by a process called dhupan and raksha karma. He describes 8 types of surgical procedures: excision, chedan, incision, bhedan, extraction, aharan, puncturing, vyadhan, eshana, bloodletting, stravana, suturing, sivana. The suture materials are bark of asmantak, bahunia racemosa, thread of shana, corcorus capillaris, silk thread, tendon fibers of guduchi, Tinospora cordifolia. He used black ants, Lasius niger, during suturing intestinal wounds. He described 14 types of bandages. He also performed cataract operation. Thank you. Hasta pronto por ver esta video. Bye.